Good morning, sir. I'm Juvelin S. De Jesus, DPSA researcher of Barabo National High School, and we would like to ask few questions for our research. This is our first question, sir. What are your observations in the conduct of the election last May 2010?
Before I may, I'm Police Senior Inspector Darwin Yu, the new installed Chief of Police of Barabo Police Station, Surigao del Sur, PRO 13. In connection to your first questions, although this is the first semi-automation in the Philippines, I think although there are some minor problems and technicalities occurred, but it was considered a successful one.
Okay, sir. This is our second question. As newly installed Chief of Police of the Municipality of Barabo, what are your recommendations to the people in order to have fair and just election?
Actually, that time, May 10, 2010 elections, still I was the Intelligence and Investigation Chief of the Surigao Police Provincial Office before I was assigned here in Barabo. For my observations, I think for the personnel of the PNP organizations, I think I will request is for additional personnel and to avoid from getting involved directly in the election process, especially during election period. The personnel of the PNP should refrain from direct participation in the elections. For the candidates or politicians, I think my recommendation is to just abide or strictly observe the rules and regulations set forth by the AULO, the Omnibus Election Code, for a fair and just elections.
Okay, your last word, sir.
For the last word, I think for the populace or the constituents of wherever area or municipality, I think the voters should vote wisely, refrain from cylinder votes, and just vote wisely.